Good morning, children. In English literature today, take out your English book and turn to page number 106. Today, on page 106, you're going to do the topic pronunciation. What are you going to pronounce? You're going to pronounce some words which have the letter U. So you are going to learn the different sounds of U, the short sound of U in some words and the long sound of U in some words. See the word cut aloud, C-U-T, cut aloud. So you have to pronounce the word cut aloud, loudly. The vowel U makes a short U sound as in uncle and under. Now, children, listen carefully. The word cut, short U. The U has a short sound of here. Even in the word uncle, uncle, okay, short U and under. The U is very short. The sound of U is short of here. Now say the word put aloud. Put. Okay? You have to say this word aloud. The vowel U makes a long U sound as in pull and push. So here the letters, here the letter U has a long sound like put. Okay, a long U sound. Pull, another long sound, and push is another long sound of U. So you will have to pronounce and spell and say the word aloud, children. C-U-T, cut. Very short. U-N-C-L-E, uncle, short. U-N-D-E-R, under. Here you have P-U-T, put, a long sound, U sound. P-U-L-L, pull, long U. And P-U-S-H, push, a long U sound. So you are going to say these words aloud. Say these words aloud. Now again, here is a list of words. Okay, in this box there are some words. You have to say these words aloud. After you finish saying these words aloud, you have to circle the words which have the short U sound. Remember, you have to circle the words in the box which have the short U sound, not the long sound, but the short U sound. Now the words are jug, fun, bull, hut, ugly, full, bug, tub, hut, umbrella, and July. The last word is July. So children, you have to say these words aloud first and then circle the words which have the short U sound. Now I'll repeat the words again. You have to say like this: jug, fun, bull, hut, ugly, full, bug, tub, hut, umbrella, and July. Please circle the words which have the short U sound. So this is your English literature assignment for today. Okay, children, you will just have to circle the words which have the short U sound.